to enable and connect Bluetooth on Samsung Smart TV. So once you are here on this main home page, at the bottom left corner, go ahead and tap on Settings, and from here, you'll see the option of Bluetooth. Tap on it. Now go ahead and select all Bluetooth devices. Make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth on your phone. And on your phone, you will see the option of Samsung Smart TV. Make sure that you connect Samsung Smart TV as Bluetooth on your phone. And then you will see a pop-up like this on your Samsung Smart TV. Then you would have to select the option of Pair on your Samsung Smart TV. Let's tap on Pair. And with that, you will successfully be able to enable and connect Bluetooth on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.